Hey guys, quick review of this negative ion generator I got from my bathroom. These are great for bathrooms, garages, if you have pets, smoke, all that. It's basically a small portable generator, air purifier, to clean up the air around you. One that you don't have to leave the room when it runs. You can have this running. This has a HEPA carbon filter in it, so it can be running at all times for you, keeping your room, fresh. Get rid of the smells. Let's open it up. It's very simple design. Just plug and play. Has 2 speeds. Switch right here. Filters in there. We got a fan in there. Installs just like this, and it's supposed to get rid of all the smells. The filter is good for the carbon filter is good for 3 years, but if you have really smelly house or pest smoker, probably change this every few months. This is the carbon filter, and then you got your negative ion generator in there and the fan and all that. So really easy replacement. Let's put that back in. And that's it. Quick look at the manual. This is actually designed in the US. It is made in China, but designed in the US. Had great reviews on Amazon, so I decided to go with this model. It's small, plug and play. Basically just some breakdown of the details if you want to pause and read this on your own. Here's the specs. 60 million, whatever the negative ion concentration means. Not an expert in that, but if you know, right? Here's the whole breakdown of the machine. Some features of it. But basically the main thing is get rid of the bad smells in your room. Doubt this will be good for giant rooms. For small bathroom, garage, basement, laundry room, it's probably perfect. So let's plug it in. It has a 1-year warranty too. That's great. Anyway, let's plug it in and see how it works. In my bathroom, it's a perfect setup. It's not gonna be in the way of anything. So as you see, it's really quiet. It's off. Speed 1. Speed 2. So it's quiet. I'll give it some time. Come back in here and see if we smell or don't smell a difference. I like the feature that it's quiet. My ceiling fan, that's pretty loud. So this is a nice plus. This doesn't make a lot of noise. So we are back. And honestly, you can smell the difference. It is fresher air, well, better than what it was, especially, if it's a little humid or moldy in the bathroom or whatever, but seems to be working, so that's a good plus. Another thing I want to show you guys, you know it's on when the blue light is on. So if I turn that off, look at the blue light. Anyway, that's really it. Thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful. Subscribe, follow, check out my how-to channel, and lots more videos like this and more.